Have you cleaned windows and ever wondered if you could save time and have it automated? Or spent money on contractors and wish you could finally stop? Well, here at GlassLeap Innovations, we've got you covered. Introducing GlassHopper, the smart automated window cleaning solution designed to make spotless glass effortless. With GlassHopper, all you do is place it on your window, press a button, and let the magic happen. Using advanced suction technology, microfiber cleaning pads, and intelligent navigation, GlassHopper glides smoothly across your windows, removing dust, grime, fingerprints, and even those stubborn water spots. Whether it's your home, office, or commercial storefront, GlassHopper handles it all while you relax. And don't worry, safety is a top priority here at GlassLeap Innovations. With its built-in vacuum adhesion and optional tether system, GlassHopper stays securely in place even at the tallest of heights. For added convenience, GlassHopper includes an activable water pump priming sequence to ensure a consistent water supply throughout the entire cleaning process. But that's not all. GlassHopper also features smart path planning for full coverage cleaning, quiet operation so you barely notice it working, and reusable microfiber pads to save money and reduce waste. Say goodbye to streaky windows, wasted weekend hours, and expensive contractors. Say hello to the future of effortless window cleaning. GlassHopper, a safer, smarter, and efficient way to clean windows. Only from GlassLeap Innovations.